Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to go ahead and use this Cricut machine to turn something I was going to toss in the trash into treasure. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. So let's get started. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So what we're doing here is I already went ahead and we used the Cricut machine to cut out the picture that I wanted to use and the word I wanted to use. Now we are using the Dollar Tree vinyl, and this worked perfectly fine. I'm absolutely loving that color pink. Now here what you see me doing is just pulling back the excess vinyl away from the picture. And this is what we have left here. So I decided that I wanted to use a heart in this project, and look how nice that came out. Now here we're pulling back the transfer tape, and we're going to place that on top of the heart to get the image onto the transfer tape. Now here I'm just using the scraper just to make sure that the transfer tape is laying flat on the image. Now, did you know that every time you click that like button and full watch the video, this helps me to grow on YouTube? So the same process that we did for the heart, we're going to repeat when we're using the word. So we're going to go ahead and place the transfer tape on the image, use the scraper, and then peel that back. And then we're going to get ready to prepare what I decided to toss out as trash and make that into treasure. Now, I would love for you to head on over to my community tab where we are going to be launching a new monthly collaboration called Sophisticated Saturdays, and that's being hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, which is Courtney from Amethyst Adventures and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. So now this open collab will be every second Saturday of the month at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, Courtney and I are very excited to launch this collab, and we could surely use your support. So make sure and have fun and head on over to that community tab for the details. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and head outside and put this together. So this container was a pretty nice size, and the label came off easy. So all I had to do was wash all of this stuff out, spray paint the lid, and now we're going to get ready to apply these decals to this container. So now this container can be pretty much used for anything. It's very versatile. I can probably use this to store a lot of my craft embellishments, but I'm going to go ahead and display it for you with florals. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I apply this, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so I think the end result came out absolutely beautiful. So like I said, I spray painted the lid to match the wording and that embellishment in the back. We're going to go ahead and start decorating this with the florals, and then I'll have 2 reveals for you. You know, this came out absolutely beautiful. You put a little bit of weight inside of that container, and you can definitely use this outside to decorate. Okay, so here we have reveal number 1 with the decal on the one side. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and reveal this with the heart side, but this time I used the container and placed it on top of the lid, and I think I like that look. I think this project came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.